After a long wait, here is the most awaited event of the year, Expo 2020. एक्सपो 2020 का इंतजार हुआ खत्म और एक स्पार्कलिंग इवेंट के साथ एक्सपो हो गया शुरू. Come for the greatest global gathering in history with more than 190 countries and cultures under one roof. So let's visit the Expo 2020 together and let's make our world more clean, green, and more livable. So our coming generations will have a happy, healthy, and blessed life. It's our time.
75, so only 46 years we've been independent right now. We also have our Surinamese language, that's called the Suriname. But every ethnic group also has their language, their cultural language. As you come with me, this is a typical Surinamese kitchen. We have also here some Surinamese fruits. Do you know this fruit? In our country we call it the Fransman pirang. Actually, if you would say it literally, it would be Frenchman pirambi. This, a lot of people call it star fruit. Because if you cut it, it becomes a star, you can say. Here, we of course have a surprise for you guys. This is one of our national dishes. It's called the pom. It's not real. It's a replica, but this is the pom. And the pom is made out of pom tire. Pom tire is a bird fruit just like cassava and a potato. It grows in the interior. And we make a dish, an often dish with it, with chicken, and it's sweet and sour. If you, I think he's been to Suriname. Did you taste the pom?
No.
Not yet. Oh, next time, next time.
He hasn't met us when he was there.
Okay. And we also love a lot of pepper. Here we have the Madame Chanette. That's a real Surinamese pepper with a little bit spice. It's not only pepper, but it has a little... Yeah, actually it's a sort of vegetable. In our country, Suriname, we have different ethnicities and we have different religions. And we live in harmony next to each other. As you can see, if you look outside your window, this is a common scene in Suriname. Here you have a mosque next to a synagogue. And even the imam and the rabbi drink coffee while talking about small dogs, etc. Yeah, they even share a parking lot. In Suriname, we also have an inter-religious board to solve all the problems if there are problems. And sometimes they advise even the president, the inter-religious board. As you see here, we have temples, we have churches, mosques, synagogues. We are a multicultural society, and there are five groups, five biggest groups. You have the Chinese, indigenous, Indian, Japanese, and the last but not least, Creole. Yes. As you look to our flag, the green symbolizes our fertile ground. If you look around you, you see a lot of green because of our 93% forest. Yeah. And that's why the green symbolizes our fertile ground. The 5-star, the 5-point star, symbolizes the five biggest groups, and the yellow symbolizes our golden future. And I think it will become very soon our golden future.
Then the white resembles the peace and yes, the kind and friendly nature of Surinamese people, and red of course the love. We are a very loving. Out here in the everything was green.
You can imagine there's some people living there alongside these rivers and they know every single one on the river. So some of these indigenous or the maroon villages, they go for hours on street, sometimes even for days. And these people know all these rapids and know how to go on it by boat.
Then I have 150 years from India, China, Indonesia.
Look to this side. Sorry. Look to this side. You'll see a howler monkey. Oh, yes, a howler monkey. Now the howler monkeys are one of the local species we have, and they're called howler monkeys because when they start howling, we call it howler monkeys. When they call out to their friends, it can actually resound to 5 kilometers afar. So you can hear them from 5 kilometers away, and it's the loudest sound. You can actually also find them still in our cities. So they're all over the place, and they're.
अगर आपको ये व्लॉग इंफॉर्मेटिव लगी हो तो लाइक एंड शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा, और हमेशा की तरह मेरे और चैनल के सपोर्ट और मोटिवेशन के लिए सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा, ताकि आप चैनल से जुड़े रहें और आगे आने वाले ढेरों एक्सपो 2020 के वीडियोस अपलोड होते ही आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए। अगर आपका कोई भी सवाल या फीडबैक हो या एक लाइन अप्रिशिएशन का लिखना चाहें तो प्लीज़ कमेंट बॉक्स ज़रूर यूज़ करें। मुझे आपके कमेंट्स का इंतज़ार रहेगा। सो टिल नेक्स्ट।